Hello guys, this is your house fitness. My name is Min Young and we're going to go through some counterings. So of course, going to be very loose, hands up high in your guard. And as you're countering, there's so much ways to do it. You can go in and out, you can bob and weave, making the opponent very open. So as soon as you bob and weave, you can go right under the punches, leave themselves open from the body. You can throw a hook or another hook. You can slip through the straight punches. You can either hit their head or their body, so you can go from here, or the body, or in and out. You want to keep some distance between them, know their punch distance, and then as soon as they punch, you can come back, you can throw 2, 3, or 1, 2, or as soon as they throw a punch, you can slip while you're punching. There's a lot of ways to do countering. You can do it as they're punching, or when you can also do some level changes, head, body, head again. You can also do some angles. Say if my opponent's right in front of me, I can distract him with some punches, and I can step to the left and then pivot and throw a big right. So there's a lot of different variation you can do with countering. And yeah, that is it guys. Hope you guys enjoy. Link in the